NetCool Operations Insight with Predictive Insights is capable of being a manager of managers and receiving event streams and metric data from any source and performing analytics on the entire dataset. It acts as a single integration point for all the tools, events, log, and metric data you have. It supports the rapid creation of persona-based dashboards that include mobile access. The dashboard you can see here shows the status of all the services being monitored at a glance. The left-hand panel shows that the Nimbus service is not operating as expected. When you click on this service, the Systems panel in the center and the event list on the right refresh to show the status of just the Nimbus service. LV01, Storage, and Network Systems are all showing issues. You can further drill into the storage system by clicking on it and seeing the storage-related events in the event list on the right-hand side. Standard diagnostic tools can be triggered directly from the dashboard to simplify investigation and problem resolution, or can be configured to run automatically when an event arrives. An event can be selected and then the diagnostic tool run at the click of a button. In this case, we see that the standard tool does not resolve the issue and further investigation is required. The operator is able to click on the event and post it to a forum or transfer it to the relevant subject matter expert. The dashboard also includes an anomaly indicator, which provides early warning for emerging issues. You can click on the indicator to drill into the detected anomalies view. Historical metric data can be fed to Predictive Insights from any number of metric data sources. This data is analyzed, the expected behavior of each metric is identified, and relationships in the data are dynamically discovered without the need for configuration or service or topological models. Anomalies are then raised when metrics behave abnormally. In this case, we can see that there are two events. The first event actually contains two anomalies, but they have been automatically grouped together and are presented as a single problem. You can click on the event and examine the anomalies. The most significant metrics are automatically displayed. You can clearly see that at certain times of the day the metrics rise, but in the anomalous area the metrics are well above the expected values. The baseline showing the expected values can be displayed for every metric, so you have a single point where all your metric data can be visualized and examined. When metrics move beyond these bounds, anomalies are raised, thereby removing the need to manage costly and limited static thresholds. In this case, we can see that percentage used is gradually rising over a 3-hour period. As soon as the percentage used reaches its limit, the average usage time surges sharply, and this will directly impact your users. There's a 3-hour period where this issue could be investigated and resolved before it becomes service impacting. The next step is to investigate what is causing this issue. The WebSphere trace logs are already being streamed to Log Analysis, which indexes and annotates it automatically so that it is ready to be searched. This can be launched directly with a single click. The percentage used metric is captured in the anomaly, and this is being configured to launch the search with the term pool contents. The operator looks at the results of the search and sees in the log record that there are no free connections. The operator consults expert advice and it provides other searches to run. A search of get connections returns 160 results. A search of close connections returns only 26 results. There are no free connections because connections are being taken and not being released. The application owner is contacted and indicates that a new version of the application has just been put into production. This new version is rolled back and the issue is resolved. These types of searches, or other complex searches run by subject matter experts, can be saved and reused to simplify and speed up problem resolution. Other dashboards, such as the Operational Efficiency Dashboard, are provided out of the box to give insight into the nodes in your system that are producing the most events. By focusing on these nodes, the number of events being generated can be substantially reduced, saving time and money and ensuring critical events can be dealt with as soon as possible.